morning and welcome to day one of Vlogmas. This is me, first thing in the morning, uncut, unedited. First things first, coffee. Let's go downstairs and get some coffee. Good morning. This is a typical morning where Mason's always up before I am, at least an hour, so let me catch up. You got your allergy medicine. Mason's getting ready to leave me. So once I wake up in the morning and I have my coffee, I usually straighten up downstairs. And now that downstairs is straightened up, I think I will go upstairs, get dressed, and continue on with my day. And there you have it. I am up, dressed, and ready to start working. So the first thing I like to do is check my email website, fair website, just in case I've got any wholesale orders, and also check on any questions coming from my Patreons. I sold out of sugar scrubs and body butters on my website. I had several wholesale orders and they basically purchased everything, which is a good problem to have, but my containers shipment's been delayed because I don't have the containers to put my products in. And you don't want to accept an order when you don't know when you can ship it out. That's not a good problem to have. Oh, this is what it is. However, there is good news. Even though I don't have my normal 8-ounce jars that I package my sugar scrubs in, but I remember a while back I ordered these 2-ounce jars because I don't know how big I thought a 2-ounce jar was, but these jars are pretty big, so they weren't gonna fit the lip balms like I had originally planned. So since my 8-ounce jars are delayed, I decided just to make some smaller sized sugar scrubs. And frosted juniper, butt naked, and lavender. I don't know if you can read that or not. So I just made these yesterday. I packaged them up and now I'm going to take some pictures because I want to go ahead and get that posted on my website. So at least hopefully I can get some orders in until I get those bigger jars in. So let's go ahead and take those pictures now. I am by no means a photographer and I really don't know how to do all the settings on my Sony camera. So I just prefer to use my phone and I put it in portrait mode, and I can use the filters and brightness adjustment and exposures on there to go ahead and get that final product looking the way that I want it to. I've been trying to find the perfect place in my house to take pictures, and lo and behold, one day I was sitting at the desk and I looked at my banister and I'm like, wait a minute, that has the perfect light. Look, let me show you. This banister right here has the perfect light coming from outside. And when I put my products here, I can kind of zoom in or put it on portrait mode and it looks like it's just sitting on a shelf somewhere. And then I change my lighting in the background and that gray wall actually turns white. Too easy. Now that I've taken pictures with my phone, I'm just going to edit them on my phone and I'm going to drop them into my computer. There we go. And this is the photo that we have on my computer. And if I don't like the colors, I can go up here and edit the photo again. But I think I'm kind of content with how it looks right now. So I'm just going to save all of these photos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've updated and uploaded all the products on my website to include my wholesale products as well. I'm going to get ready to watch my daughter's basketball game. She's in southern Georgia playing right now. So anytime her games are over 2 hours away, we just watch them from home. So I think I'm going to pull her game up on my computer. I'm actually going to watch it upstairs while I get everything ready for these shower steamers that I need to make today. Oh, and she's starting today. There she is, my number 15. And she plays some killer defense.
Looking at the treetops, they're covered in snow. Listen to the laughter, yeah, everyone's home. 반짝이는 빛 속에 설레이는 이 밤. It's the night before Christmas, the night before Christmas. Children are singing, joyful music fills the air. The love all around us, I can feel it everywhere. The night for you and I, 사실도 특별한 이 밤. It's the night before Christmas, the night before Christmas. 지금 이 순간 널 위해 나 이렇게 노래할래. 따뜻한 마음으로 안아줄게. I'll be here.
I don't know where this day is going, but I've got some things that I need to drop off at the thrift store. So I'm going to bring you all along with me. Don't be alarmed, there's only clothes in that box. But it's heavy, so I am not carrying it down the stairs. Ooh, candle science. Yep, candle science. My candle jar lids are here. Since my candle jar lids are here, I can probably get to making my Christmas candles. Oh, I love making my Christmas candles. I really like our local thrift store because they have standards to what you can drop off. It has to be in good condition, you know? Just because somebody may be less fortunate and they shop at a thrift store, or like me, I find good things at the thrift store. You don't just get them beat up pieces of stuff, you know what I mean? There's kindness and caring. Woo!
It's the night before Christmas Day. 가득가득한 사랑이 이렇게 넘쳐나준다면.
Now that I have those items dropped off, I'm going to run to the grocery store, get something to cook for dinner.
Just love this Christmas feeling. 사랑 가득한 겨울밤. It's the night before Christmas Day. La 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 la. See you soon. It's the night before Christmas Day.
What is this? What are you opening?
Opening so this is a ceiling fan for a deck that I'm building. Most of the time now when I build decks, I add lights, ceiling fans, stuff like that, things that bring it out. The ceiling fan was little to nothing, what I would call, I'm not gonna say it, but I add these to my builds.
Okay, I think this is one of the enchilada meals that Mason likes the best. How is it?
Very
Good.
good.
Yay! So this is gonna wrap up tonight's Vlogmas because I have 0% battery. I just want to give a huge shout out to my patrons. Thank you for supporting us and thank you for watching all the way to the end. And please stay tuned for Vlogmas day number 2 coming at you tomorrow.
Really good.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Slow down, sir.
Nope.
Bye, guys.